This is the FNT case for the Motorola Moto G-Play-2024. I've had this thing for, I want to say 6 months to a year, and it's been fantastic. I've had zero issues with it whatsoever. Something you get with this case, it also comes with a screen protector, a couple of wet wipes, and some stickers that you can use to kind of clear the screen if you're putting that screen protector on it. Real quick, this is the Moto G-Play 2024 here, and I'm just going to slot it in here, and I'm going to get the case on it. Boom, it's on it, no issues. I've had zero issues with the phone getting damaged at all, and I've thrown this in my backpack and just run around with it, and I haven't seen any damage on the phone at all, and the case itself has not fallen apart at all either. Part of the case is hard backed right here, and then there's a membrane that's a little bit more flexible on the inside. I think this is fantastic. If you're in the market for an awesome case for the G-Play 2024, this thing's great, and I highly recommend it.